Hi guys, this is Leslie of thatmompreneur.life.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hopefully you'll like it and you will click that subscribe button and the like button as well. And if you are returning, thank you so much for rocking with me. I have been gone for the holidays. I was gone from Christmas Eve up until MLK Day. And I had 2 Temu orders that I ordered during that time that the post office was holding for me. So now I've already opened all of it, but we're gonna get into all the lovely things that I got. Some of them were hits, some of them were misses. We're gonna go through them, but this is gonna be kind of a big haul-ish, you know. And yes, I still have my Christmas tree up because I have not been able to take it down yet. The ornaments are off of it, but the actual tree has to come down this weekend. First thing I'm going to show you, because I have everything kind of in a pile over here. The first thing, look at my eyebrows, because I got this eyebrow stamping kit. It has the stencil that you put over it, and then you take the little pomade, you dip it in the pomade, and then you stamp on your eyebrow. I think they look a little stamped on. I did take an eyebrow pen afterwards and kind of fill in areas to make it look a little bit more like hair, a little bit less like something stamped on my face. And they do give you a spoolie to kind of fade things out. But what do you guys think? I mean, it does. I don't know if it saves me any time because I bought it to save myself time in the morning. I don't know if it really saves any time, but you do get a perfect brow shape. So let me know what you think in the comments. So that is number 1. The second thing I got was this, and I did use this last night, was this straightening comb. And I think it was on sale for like literally $4. So I got a straightening comb for $4. I got the ugly green color because that was the one that was less. That was the one, because all the other ones were more regular price. This one was $4. And I did use it last night on my daughter's hair. It didn't really get her hair that straight. It got it straighter. After I blow dried it, I ran this through. It got a straighter, but maybe not as much as a salon quality. However, what I bought this for was to use on my wigs to kind of get that bump out sometimes. So I really did actually buy this for synthetic or, you know, wig hair, not to use on natural kinky curly hair. But since I own it and I have it, I probably will use it every so often when I just want to knock some curl out on my hair or my daughter's hair too. So that's that. These are on my feet because as soon as I took them out, I started wearing them. These are slippers. I love how they're kind of flexible. They're so warm. This past week, it was so cold. I'm sure you guys had winter weather all over, no matter where you were. These were so warm. I have put them on as soon as I got them, and I've been rocking those. Now we're gonna go into the rest of this. So now I love to do my nails with Temu. I love to do my nails with Temu because my nails are natural nails. I'm gonna redo these. These are old, but this is what I have on my nails right now. Now sometimes, like this, when you have natural nails, they'll break. Very often they will break, like this one. This one's kind of small, but this one's growing back. So as compared to these nails, this one broke. It broke over the Christmas break while I was gone. So what I've been watching lots of TikToks and lots of YouTubes about people who use builder gel to build out the one that broke to match the rest of the nails. So that's what I bought. I bought myself, and the box was open, y'all. The box was completely open, and these were all over. I got some builder gel, and so it says gel polish builder gel, and here's the base coat, the top coat, and this is the actual builder gel. It comes out clear. I didn't want to color because I'm just going to be using it to match my other nails, and then putting probably not nail polish but a nail wrap or nail strip on top, because that's the way I like to prefer to do my nails. And then I got the, I don't know what you call these, the nail form. The nail form to put my nail on to build it out with the builder gel. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just watch some YouTube videos on how to do that. So I got the nail forms, the builder gel. I also got these nail buffers, but I don't need 2 packs of nail buffers. I don't know what I was thinking. Especially when I saw them at Dollar Tree. I could get one really good big buffer for $1. This is probably $3 or $4. I might return these because they're, what do I need this many for? I don't know what I was thinking. And then I got this many of these little, I don't know, Q-tip type things that you can, you know, clean up messes and maybe form things around with. Got 2, I didn't realize there was gonna be 2 bags of these as well. This is also to do my nails with. This is a nail dehydrator and nail primer. So if I wanted to, because I use press-on nails on my toes, so to use the nail dehydrator to get the press-on nails, or you can use them on your regular nails before you put on the nail strips. That works, the primer and the dehydrator for both of those things. I got a cord to charge my phone with. I got more nail stuff. More nail stuff. Press on toenails. Okay, nice and cute. Those were pretty. I liked the stripe there. Very, very pretty. And the glittery gold. Here's another press on toenail. These are absolutely gorgeous. That opaque white with the jewels. Those are lovely. Those are definitely going to be a summer fun thing. There's more, guys. Of course there's more. Here's some more press-on toenails. I loved the little jewel accent with the black heart. That's a very Valentine's Day look. That's going to be probably my Valentine's Day look. Okay. Now, okay. Look at the jewels on those. You can't like the light, but look at the jewels. They're a little wonky in the package. I have not opened them, but that's cute. Super cute. Okay. I got some nail strips. Oh, I got nail glue for the, because I can use this nail glue, but then I saw on TikTok people who were using nail glue to burn holes in their carpet. They were buying Temu nail glue and putting it in their carpet and would burn holes in their carpet. So now I'm a little scared. I think I might be returning those because now I'm a little scared. And I'm only gonna probably use the jelly tabs, the adhesive tabs, because those work fine. And the nail glue, now I'm scared. But all right, nail strips. Here's this. Okay. I thought these were absolutely so cute with the gold. If you don't like, no, I like glittery, fun things like that. Okay. These were also very pretty. I'm going to put these on next, I think. I think these are going on my fingers next. Look at that jeweled accent. So gorgeous. And then these, I'm not crazy about these, but I'll definitely use them. I don't know what I was thinking when I got these. They So, oh, I got some jewelry. I'm not taking them out the pack just yet, but I did get some earrings. So those are going to be drop hanging earrings. I thought those were absolutely darling. Here's another earring. This is, I don't remember what you call those, but it'll sit like right there. Very, very beautiful. And then these are also drop earrings, but I thought these were so nice. I actually have something similar to this already, but they're bigger. I like how these are smaller and daintier. I also got a coffee warmer. So I'll make coffee and you put the mug on top of the warmer. I think I got the color pink though. Let me check. Yep, mine's pink. And it's a USB port and you use it to warm your coffee. keep it warm. And then I got these for my shelf. My bookshelf upstairs is falling over because I lost these in, I'm knocking stuff. I lost those in a recent move. So the bookshelf is kind of like hanging, and I will fix my bookshelf with those. I got this portable fan. It's a bladeless fan. I haven't used it yet. Ooh, the box is just broke up. My Lord. All right. But I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So it generates air, and it has a little stand and a USB port, but it's supposed to generate air, and you can use it as a fan. Advanced portable electric fan. Okay, and it's pink. And it's pink. So I'll use that to set my makeup when I'm hot, all kinds of different things I'll use that for. Oh, more nail stuff. Cuticle remover. So I could push back my cuticle and all of that stuff. I usually don't do too much cuticle work when I'm doing my own nails, but I'm gonna start maybe. I'm not gonna peel it or, you know, cut it because that's scary to me. I like having some cuticle, but I do want to push it back. And I feel like I have very strong cuticles, except right now they're a little peeled up, but you know, hey. Now I got a wax stick for when I, you know, do my whole thing with the wig and can use the straightener I just got. Okay. Wait, I got a hamburger patty maker. I saw another YouTuber haul this one. You put the meat, like if you just buy pounds and pounds of ground meat and you want to make hamburger patties, because it's cheaper to do that than to buy the pre-made hamburger patties. You put them in here and then you smash this down on top. Use this to smash down, and voila, you got your own hamburger patties. All right. Now, next things I got were clothes. So I will do a little try on. That's all the stuff that's non-clothes. The next 3 items are going to be clothes. So I will try these on, but this shirt, oh, I think I'm going to like it already. This was the shirt. Look how pretty, sparkly. It's short sleeved, so it's perfect for spring. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It looks like it's gonna fit from what, and I like the sleeve detail. So I just thought that was so beautiful. Definitely, if that fits, that will be a keeper. Another short sleeve, I think. Yes. All right, it says But God, and it is sparkly studded, short sleeved, black. I'm feeling it. It is a little see-through material, but that's okay. It seems like it'll be breathable for the summer. It's bigger than I thought. This is bigger. This is my normal size that I buy from Temu, but it is like larger, so we'll try that on and see how I like it. Now the third thing I'm really excited about, I hope this one fits too. This is a dress. It looks like somebody just stuffed it in that bag, but it's a dress. It's a sweater dress with ruching on the side, and oh, it's very, very soft material. So let me go ahead and try these on for you, and we'll see how they do. Hopefully they all fit. Okay, so here is the first shirt. I'm absolutely loving it. It would look so cute tucked in with a cute little pair of pants or draped over jeans, what have you. There's no stretch, and I do have a tank top underneath because I was already wearing it. But yes, this is definitely a keeper. Not too much cleavage or anything showing in the front, even if I didn't have the tank top on. My head's cut off while I'm talking. But yes, this is definitely a keeper for me. I like kind of how it's a little loose and drapey and not too form-fitting. Okay, definitely a 10 out of 10 for that one. So I could have gotten this in a medium, and I'm a little bit disappointed because I really love the, what is this? The detail in the front. I'm loving it. I'm just not liking the way it's fitting. I guess I could cinch it, but even if I cinch it, it's, you know, tuck it in rather is what I mean. Like it's still draping on a little loose. I wanted it to be more form-fitting. So I'm gonna decide whether I send this back and get a different size. Hopefully I can and get it at the same price. But I'm a little disappointed with this. It's a little bit too big. Okay, yes, look at this. Look at how this fits. Whoa, I'm falling over these slippers here. Look how cute this dress is. You can put a belt with it. You can, oh my gosh, I am in love with this dress. I love the ruching on the side. Of course, you kind of can, you know, use your little shapewear to cinch yourself in. But look, it gives me booty. Like, I don't normally have it, and it looks like I got it. Okay, yeah. This dress is everything. It is so soft. It is so smooth. It is so nice. I love this. So 2 out of 3 of the clothing pieces were a total absolute yes. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All the information will be below so that you can download Temu if you haven't already yet, and or find these pieces. Definitely thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.